MEIL spreads wings across the globe with Drillmec and Petreven. A company from Telugu land is showcasing its skills and capabilities globally and making the country proud. Megha Engineering and Infrastructures Limited have acquired the global leaders in oil and gas exploration companies Drillmec and Petreven. MEIL, known for the execution of a critical project in India and across the world. MEIL, which already has significant experience in the energy sector, has entered the oil rig manufacturing by these two companies of the Petreven Group. Drillmec manufactures the oil rigs and sells worldwide. Petreven is in the business of engineering services like rig maintenance and supervising. The Petreven Group companies Drillmec and Petreven have operations in 80 countries globally. Both companies employ directly or indirectly over 10,000 engineers, technicians and other support staff. Drillmec manufactures and supplies rigs, heavy machinery and equipment to the global companies for exploration of oil and gas offshore and onshore. Over 40 leading companies in the sector, including Total, Shell, Cairn, ONGC and Bharat Petroleum, use Drillmec's rigs. The company has rig manufacturing units in Russia, Italy and 4 units in Belarus. Petreven, established in 1998 in Venezuela. The company engaged worldwide in drilling and maintenance in oil and gas sector. The company owns 20 advanced series heavy oil rigs. The company operations spread across Canada, USA, Mexico, Brazil, Venezuela, Argentina, Bolivia, Algeria, Indonesia and India. It has business offices in Cesena, Italy and Argentina, Peru, Venezuela and India.